Good morning everyone. My name is C.H. Kavita. Our project title name is IoT-based coal mine safety monitoring and alerting system. Coming to the introduction of our project, safety is the most important part of any industry, and in mining industry, safety and security are the most fundamental aspects. So to avoid injuries that is happening due to rising temperatures, leakage gas leakages and increased water levels, we are using IoT technology to avoid those accidents. And in our existing system, we do not have any data transmission from coal mine section to monitoring section to take action in case of emergency. But in our project, the proposed system, we are using IoT technology where we can monitor the coal mine workers continuously from time to time, and if any detection is detected, like gas leakages which are harmful to the workers, we can take immediate action. And that all data is stored in cloud by using IoT modules. And the components present in our project are Node MCU module, which is the brain of our project, and it is used to create absolutely a surveying system for a high exactness and smooth control, and OLED display to display the alerting system that some gases are detected, so take action. And IoT module, relay and DC fan, and this is rectifier, filter, and this is transformer. These are the gas sensors. This is DHT11, which is used for detecting high temperatures, and these two are gas sensors for detecting harmful gases and display the message if any emergency. Now my friend Soumya will continue the remaining part.
Hello everyone, my name is Soumya and I am going to discuss the working procedure of the project. So here, whenever the power supply is given, the step-down transformer converts a 230 volts AC supply to the 12 volts AC supply, and then it is given to the power supply module. Here it contains the rectifier, filter, and also voltage regulator. So the rectifier converts the 12 volts AC to the 12 volts DC supply, and the filter converts to the 12 volts DC to the pure DC form, and then the voltage regulator converts into the 12 volts DC supply to the 5 volts DC supply, because the sensors like temperature sensor, gas sensor, and also Node MCU and also DC fan requires 5 volts DC supply. So the sensors like temperature sensor, gas sensor collects all the information and senses from the surrounding temperature, and it collects all the inputs from the surrounding temperature, and it will give to the Node MCU. Here the Node MCU is the brain of our project. The Node MCU here we use is ESP8266. It takes all the information and it processes the information, and whenever the harmful gases are detected, it will send the information to the, it will triggers the information, and then the IC triggers the ground connection, and then the relay will be on, and so that the DC fan will be run. So the DC fan will be run, and it removes all the harmful gases, and then it produces the harmful message on the warning message on the OLED display. So here the overall working function of our project. So here we can continuously monitor the coal mine workers, and we can save their lives. So the conclusion of our project is, by using IoT technology, we can save the coal mine workers by continuously monitoring and alerting them by using the IoT technology. And here we can store the information and upload to the cloud-based unit, and we will store all the information in the thingspeak.web page, so that we can continuously monitor them. So the future scope of our project is, we can add more advanced features, like we can right now IoT technology is booming in the world, so we can add more advanced sensors according to the surrounding environment in the underground mines, and we can save the workers' lives. Thank you. Any minutes?
Exhibition చూపి